let's try and find an apple together. Do you see an apple? Ah, I see one! Yeah, look! Yum! It all starts by a worker hand-picking every single apple. And then they dump their sack into the bins. And when the bin gets full, a tractor picks it up and takes it away. Now that the apples are all out of the fields and into the bins, and the bins are full, now we need to transport them to the trucks! Wow! 4 giant bins full of apples. And 1 red tractor. Okay, the apples are now here at the semi-truck. Now we gotta load up all the bins on top of the back of the semi-truck with a forklift. The bins are loaded on the back of the truck, so let's go! Off to the factory we go. We've arrived at the factory, so now we need to take a forklift and get every single bin off the back of the semi-truck. It is time to clean and package all of the apples. Look, green apples. Now we need to empty the bins of all of the apples so we can clean them and package them. The apples start their floating journey, while the bins get emptied out. Look, the bins are empty. Whoa, that's a lot of floating apples. Then they get taken out of the water and scrubby-dub-dub, nice and clean. And clean some more. Look at all those bristles. Those apples look like they're having fun. And then all the apples get sprayed with some water. Nice and clean. And then they go through giant fans. Once the apples are all dry, they get sorted. They get sorted by the ones that look really tasty to eat and ones that don't look tasty to eat.